Have you noticed random meme coins trending with insane volume, even when nobody's discussing them online? Here's what most people miss. There's a simple trick used by pros and bots to create instant buzz and attract buyers. And it works, even if you're launching your first token. In the next 40 seconds, I'll walk you through the secret setup for creating organic demand and wild trading action, straight from launch. Watch closely, because this fresh strategy won't stay under the radar for long. You're probably wondering how to actually get a meme coin launched on Raydium. The easiest method I found is this site called tokenclub.fun. Without it, you'd be stuck dealing with code and all sorts of complicated stuff. But this tool simplifies everything. Just a few clicks and your coin is live. It really only takes a few minutes. Click the Create Token button to begin. Start by entering an eye-catching token name. Gorilla Stonks is a perfect choice. Then choose banana as your symbol. If you are done with this step, then just upload your image and wait for Poppin', and click Next to continue. Time to handle tokenomics, but it's nothing complicated. The settings are pre-filled with solid defaults, so unless you have a reason to tweak them, you can leave everything as is. Just click Next to continue. There's an option here to plug in your social media links for the coin, just like with the creator section. If you've already set those up, it can help add credibility, but for the sake of keeping this demo clean, I'm skipping it. At this point, you'll see an option to add a name and a launch site. It might sound like a nice bonus, but honestly it's worth it, especially since it costs 0.4 Sol. Your best bet is to turn it on and move on. This next step is about revoke authorities, basically the settings that help protect your token. Revoke freeze prevents your coin from getting permanently frozen. Revoke mint stops anyone from making unlimited tokens. Then click the Create Token. Your wallet will pop up in a few seconds asking you to confirm. Just type your password to unlock it. Go ahead and approve it. Run through the basic steps and hang tight while it processes. Just go with the flow and accept. Just wait for a moment. And finally, your token has been created. Your coin is now officially live on Solscan.
Solscan's great for making sure your coin is live and showing you all the important details, like supply numbers, transaction logs, and more. But don't get too caught up here. What matters now is heading straight into step 3.
Here's where you make your coin tradable by adding liquidity. This is what lets people buy and sell it on Raydium, similar to what I showed with Photon. All you need to do now is click the button for the liquidity pool.
You'll land on Raydium's platform next. Start by connecting your wallet. Just click the button at the top, and if it doesn't auto-connect, do it manually. Once you're connected, it's time to add your base token, which is the meme coin you just launched.
You'll click the token field. Switch over to Token Club. Copy your token address and paste it into Raydium.
Fill in the token details just like you did before, and hit Add User Token. Select your coin, and you'll notice it has a total supply of 1 billion. For this part, add 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool. That's a common setup for meme coins. Now it's time to pick a quote token. That's the currency people will use to trade your coin. Solana is basically the standard, so that's what we'll go with. The key here is to use the maximum amount available. No need to worry. It's totally safe, and you can pull your funds out anytime, no matter how the launch goes. Just remember to leave out 0.2 Sol for Raydium's fee. When you get to the fee tier section, I recommend sticking with 2%. There are other options, but I haven't personally experimented with them yet. Once you've selected that, go ahead and click Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm in your wallet, and that's it. Your coin's good to go. And just like that, your launch is done. Your coin's officially live on Photon. Now it's time to wait and see if investors start jumping in. While that happens, let's switch things up and look at the charts. Step 4 coming right up.
I'm going to use Coinface for promoting my meme coin. Here you can promote your coin on Dexscreener, GMGN, Birdeye, DexTools, etc.
As things are getting set up, take a moment to check out the Portfolio tab on Raydium. It shows your active positions, your token amounts, and lets you withdraw profits right to your wallet. Make sure you're in standard view, and keep in mind it might take 10 to 15 minutes for your positions to appear, so be patient if they're not there right away. Check out this quick time-lapse of the launch in progress. It might not look super exciting, but it's the perfect time to share some important advice for your launch. The main thing is volume. When buyers jump in, your coin's liquidity and market cap increase. Liquidity is the stat that really counts for gains. Keep hitting refresh on your Raydium portfolio until your position appears, and once you reach a profit you're comfortable with, go ahead and take it. I'll show you how next. Now for the final step. Open the standard tab in your Raydium portfolio and find your LP position. Tap the minus sign, then pull the slider all the way to 100%. Don't stress about the numbers above. The only one that matters is the Solana amount at the bottom. That's what you'll get. If that's cool with you, hit remove liquidity and confirm the transaction. Just so you know, this video is strictly educational. I'm not giving financial advice, so be sure to make your own smart decisions. When you get this pop-up, it means your balance is updated. Take a look at your wallet, let it refresh, and see for yourself. I made some tidy profits in just a few minutes. It's no jackpot, but as a side hustle, it works well. I can totally see myself doing this multiple times a day. Finally, a quick disclaimer. This video is meant for education only. I'm just showing how the process plays out. That said, this method has been working great lately, so if you're considering it, now could be the right time.